These are the Oakley Gascans, one of the most recognizable frames that Oakley has ever produced. And if you've been around long enough, you've probably seen them on military guys, bikers, anyone that's got that rugged sort of look. The Gascan was inspired during Oakley's heavy industrial phase in the early 2000s. Everything was inspired by machinery and automotive design. That's literally where the name comes from, Gascan. The shape mimics fuel canisters and car body panels. All sharp edges, no fluff. It's a tough looking frame that looks more engineered than it looks designed, and that's exactly what Oakley was going for. They're made from O-Matter, Oakley's stress-resistant nylon blend. It's lightweight, durable, and can handle abuse. The frame wraps tight around your face and blocks side glare really well. Great for driving, boating, or just being outside all day. The arms are thick, so they're not the most hat-friendly, but that's part of the look. If you've got a wider head, you'll definitely feel it, but they'll still stay locked in, even if you're sweating. The original Oakley lenses are solid, but after months of use, lenses scratch and coatings fade. That's where Fuse Lenses comes in. Fuse can custom cut new lenses for pretty much any name brand frame, including the Gascan. You can pick your tint, polarization, and even color enhancing options like our Fuse amp lenses that boost contrast and make colors pop. So instead of tossing an old pair of Gascans, you can keep that frame that you love and drop in a new set of lenses that perform like new or better. So that's everything that you need to know about the Oakley Gascan. What do you guys think? Do you own a pair? Are you planning on getting a pair? Let us know in the comment section down below.